So if you're into sacred geometry at all, and you're feeling like you need to be working with the codes and the downloads that come with working with geometries, there's a new product coming out from Modern Day Mystics called the Trio of Life. These are like the seed geometries. So there's a Flower of Life one. They're a little hard to show on video because they're etched crystal. There's a figure eight infinity, and then there's a DNA in a circle. And again, it's a little hard to show on video. They have an octagonal exterior. They have alternating sun and moon symbols on the side for balance of energy. That's the thickness of them. But again, if you're at all into sacred geometry, I would look into this set. I think they have a great energy to them. For me personally, they're resonating as learning tools, like gateways of information when I wear them, and especially if I wear them with consciousness, not just like as jewelry. I seem to have a lot more downloads and a lot more aha moments coming together throughout the day. Check it out.